Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see standard 6 and subject social science. In that chapter number 14, chapter name is Unity in Diversity. In the previous video part 2, we have seen up to main 5. Today we'll see main 6. Answer the following questions briefly. Number 1. Which festivals do the people of our country celebrate? Answer is the people of our country celebrate festivals like Diwali, Makar Sankranti means Uttarayan, Holi, Dashera, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas, Asadi Duj, Moharram, Buddha Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, Onam, Pateti, Baisakhi, etc. Now we will see the number 2, question number 2. Which dance are famous in our country? Answer is Ras Garba, Gujarat, Bhangra, Punjab, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali, Kerala, Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu, Bihu, Assam, Odissi, Odisha, Ghumar, Rajasthan, Lavani, Maharashtra, etc. Now we will see the question number 3. What led to caste-based discrimination in India? Answer is, in the ancient time, social structure was occupations-based Varna system. Some of these groups remain socially and economically backward. This led to caste-based discrimination in India. Now see the question number 4. Why is our country the country of diversity? Answer is, our country becomes a country of diversity in religions, languages, caste, races, economic inequalities, foods, festivals, attire, color, complexions, residence, beliefs, customs and traditions, etc. Besides this, our country becomes a country with diversity due to its geographical factors like topography, climate, vegetation, wildlife, farming, etc. Now we will see the question number 5. What is national unity? Answer is, people of different religions, languages and caste show a spirit of love, respect, honor, loyalty, devotion, dedication and respect to their nation and experience similar feelings of unity. This is called national unity. Now we will see the main 7. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Write in short note about discrimination between girls and boys. Answer is, there are biological differences between females and males. In many families today, women do household chores, cooking and upbringing children. In the family, women don't have authority to take decisions. Daughters are deprived of education, health care and economic rights from infancy. Girls are discriminated in clothes, opportunities for studies, in moving freely and in professional work. Due to low literacy rate among girls, they have become victims of child marriage, parda system, dowry system as well as other evil customs and injustice. Since birth of a son is given preference in society, women have to suffer gender bias. Now see the question number 2. India is a secular country. Explain the statement. Answer is, the Constitution of India has given the fundamental right of religious freedom to all citizens of the country. This right has given equal rights to all citizens without discrimination of religion, caste or sect in India. The government of India is not partial to any sect or religion. The country treats all religions as equal. No one is higher or lower in the eyes of a law of our country. In India, every citizen is free to follow his or her own religion. The government of India is impartial and neutral in all religious matters. The Constitution of India has adopted the principle of equal vision and equal attitude for all religions. Now we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.